HDPE double-wall corrugated pipe is a special pipe with a smooth inner wall, corrugated outer wall, hollow cavity, and flexible rubber ring connections. Manufacturing advantages, stable quality, and low waste, one-piece forming, and high efficiency, high strength, and toughness. Products features 1. Dual-layer wall structure, high rigidity. 2. Lightweight for easy transportation and installation. 3. Cost-effective with long service life. For a widely used in municipal and